Angelic Pretty has brought out a brand new Halloween dress. Got a little bit squished in the back. Let me see. Oh no! Wait a second. Well, we have technical difficulties right now. This material, it smells of bad wings, and in a good way. Hey, you kittens! It's Halloween! I'm Cathy Cat, and today we are gonna unbox this haul from Angelic Pretty. Angelic Pretty has brought out a brand new Halloween dress this year, and I saw it and I fell in love with it. Oh dear, did I want it. I like this one here because it actually gives you a shape, and I do like having a shape in my dresses. So, brand new from the Angelic Pretty store, I went into Harajuku and I got this baby. I looked at all the colors. They had it in several colors. They had it in red, they had it in kind of a gray, they had it also in pink and in lavender. And since I already have a lovely lavender Halloween dress, I decided to get this color here, which you're going to show in a moment. So let's unpack the bag together. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the notification symbol. I heard that a couple of you guys, even though you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, even though you have subscribed, my notifications haven't been going out, so you didn't see it. Hit the bell. Bling, 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 bling. It is called Angelic Pretty Horror Candy Shop. See, like, I've never been much for the Halloween dresses, and then last year's Halloween dress I loved so much and I didn't buy it and regretted it for so long time, so I'm glad that this year it's come true. So the main dress is actually featured on the postcards, and that is actually the red version. So they were pushing the red version. It's very dark, very gothic-y, very nice. If you are into that color pattern, definitely go for it. Got that as a special card gift with it, which I'm really happy I got, and I got the very last special item bag. So if you paid more than 16,000 in store, you got an Angelic Pretty trick or treat candy bag. Look at this, it's so cool. Trick or treat. This was literally the last one in store. They took the one down that was on display, which was this one, to give it to me. So I'm like, ooh, novelty. I never really get novelty things because whenever they bring something out, I miss the novelty item just about. So first time I actually, in time, got a novelty item. Da, 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 da. Novelty. I'm really glad about that. So let's first start with the socks. Ta-da! Here you go, Horror Candy Shop. These are the socks that came with the dress, and I actually thought, you know, I would be able to get the dress without the socks, but I want them with the socks. All the socks were still there apart from gray. I asked for popular colors and they said the gray socks have completely sold out, while the red jumper skirt has sold out. So everything bling. If you're thinking about getting these dresses, I think what made me decide to get the pink personally was because it's kind of a matte pink. It is not too pop pink. I have loads of pop pink colors if you've seen them on my Instagram, Can You Do It Cat, before, but this one here is more of a matte kind of ghostly pink, so that was the reason why I picked pink. If you're interested why the red was popular, all the red characters that are on here, for example, like the mice and stuff, these characters that you can see on the dress, they will all have red eyes in the red version, and that's why the red version is rather popular. I personally found the red version too dark and gothic for me because I like the pop and the fun in the pastel colors. So you can see that the socks this time are not the normal socky sock tights, they're kind of like the tight socks. Do it make sense? I think it makes sense in my head somehow. So that's the front of it. It looks like this. It has like dark things drooping down, and the characters that are on the dress, and if you flip it over, you also have like a little coffin here and then the little crosses, and inside the coffins are the little plushies. Now here for the actual dress, got a little bit squished in the back. Let me see. Oh no! Wait a second. Well, we have technical difficulties right now. Don't do this. We're going on screen in a moment. You need to look pretty. There we go. It just fell out of a dark little batwing cloud into my hand. Look at it! I mean, look at it! I mean, really look at it! It's so cool. It's cute and cool at the same time. It has so many things. I love how the stores have wrapped this up. I mean, you know, when you get stuff at Grand Bazaar, they kind of just go shove it all in there. You go off. But this one is nicely wrapped. You can see everything is on here. Brand new Harajuku store. Horror Candy Shop. Yay! So there's so many details and so many little things that I love about this dress, so I'm gonna tell you why. Let's unpack. Let's unpack. Let's unpack. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Halloween! They got me a brand new one. Not even one that was on the hangers. They got it out of the bag. Ooh. First of all, this soft material. It feels so soft. It doesn't feel as coarse as the kind of chiffon that I have. It feels even softer. This material. It smells of bad wings. And in a good way, I think. So why do I love this dress so much? First of all, I got the OP. I mean, the JSK seem to be popular, but this one, I think you're losing out if you get the JSP, because look at the OP's collar. It's like this lovely bat pattern, and it goes all the way around to the back. Why would you miss that? Look at that, it's just amazing. Then next one, we actually have the front of the dress. So check it out, there's a bow here right at the top, and yes, you can take it off, which is good. I appreciate it when they let you do that. Right here in the middle, you can see the bunny that is waiting there. You can also see different types of buttons they have used. The gold one, silver, gold again, so different things, and a little bit of frilly lace here right on the top to just give it a little bit of more of a detail on the top part. That's definitely why I like this dress. And they have another bow down here that has also shimmers and sparkles in it, and that one is non-detachable, so that's here to stay. Very, very solidly put onto the dress, which is good so it doesn't droop down. Don't like droopy bows. And then here is the rest of the print. On the back, bad news, no shearing, guys, so you might want to be careful about that one. The bow is held again by a little golden button, and you can take these sashes here on the side off in case you want to have it tighter. Horror candy shop. Why is there so much horror on candy? Because the plushies that are there in their plushie coffins actually have some candy in their hands. So I'm going to zoom in on that. First of that, we're going to go down all the way on this dress and see that it has a little bit of frilly lace on the button, and also, which I do appreciate, I always look at the inside, and the inside here is actually dyed. So even though it's just the inside of the dress, they dyed it properly. The most amazing thing is, if you look at the lace, you find another surprise. It's little bats on the lace, kittens. Can you see that? That attention to detail is amazing. It says AP in each side of the wings and has a little bat shape here. Look at it! There are loads and loads of little cute creatures, so it's so spooky you'll probably be able to sleep tonight because it's not spooky. Meet, I have overslept, and I love Sleeping Bear with a little moon bag in his hand, which looks a bit more like a pillow. Then we have the mouse that's also having a candy cane, or like a lollipop, in a star-shaped lollipop in her hand. Well, there's another candy box here. Also, there's another friend that here is the little bear, again with the candy cane and the kind of spoopy top hat. I mean, how can you not love all those characters here? Now, they had berries. The berries have already sold out pretty quickly, unfortunately, but yeah, I really want to try this baby on, and I actually already have a headpiece for it. So, I think it's time to transform into this dress. Transformation time! Diddle-diddle-doo! Oh, ho, ho, ho. Diddle-diddle-diddle-doo! Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Woohoo! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da! There we go! Wow, I feel very elegant in this one. Also, what I figured out is that the inner lining actually has a kind of like a silky thing on one side. Feels very luxurious. So I slipped into this and I found another detail that I actually love about this dress and haven't mentioned yet. Look at the sleeves. They're kind of like bat wingy as well. The little sleeve detail. How awesome is that? So yeah, it feels very nice to very light, actually not too hot. It has pockets on both sides, so all the space for your phone and maybe, you know, a little comb for your hair and everything. So fantastic. Also, I got the headpiece from last year from Angelic Pretty that would go with this one very nicely. So yeah, I can't wait to take some nice pictures with this. That was my little Halloween haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have some other lovely Halloween dresses. Thank you very much for checking out my video. Don't forget, if you are already been here, then please click the notification symbol. And if you are new here, then hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit it hard. Hit it. Those were the news. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great Halloween season. I think this gothic class, this kind of dress you don't only have to wear on Halloween. You can wear it other seasons as well. Leave me a nice message. Let me know what your impression is of Halloween. Are you a total Halloween lover? Oh, you're actually not that much into Halloween. Huh. Curious to find out. Don't forget, life is spoopy, so let's be spoopy to each other. That doesn't work. So guys, trick-or-treating! So life is sweet, so let's be sweet to each other and do what you love and love what you do. And trick-or-treat, guys! Catch you soon, bye!